A very good morning, children. So as you know, we have been discussing the concept of LCM, least common multiple of the given numbers. So in today's class, I am going to continue our exercise 3.3 starting with 8th one, because in our previous class we stopped at 4th. Okay. So as today's homework, you will do 5th one, 6th one and 7th one of this Roman as homework. Okay, they are going to be very easy. So is the reason I am going to deal the toughest problems of the exercise. Just follow the procedure I am following so that it will be easy for you to do the given homework. Okay, and do the homework in homework book itself. So find the LCM of the following numbers. They gave 44, 120 and 132. So as we have been writing first 44, okay, 44, then the second number 120 and the third number 132. Some people will put commas, even that is also acceptable, nothing wrong in it. So what is the first, okay, first divisor which cancels 44, 120 and 132, that to be least one 2 table, isn't it? Because 44 is an even number, 120 is a number and 132 is also an even number. Hence we can start with 2 table. Okay, 2 22s are 44, 2 22s are 44, 2 60s are 120 and 2 66 gives us 132. 2 22s 44, 2 60s 120, 2 66 132. Okay, now again 22 is an even number, 60 is an even number, 66 is an even number. Please be careful, children. At least 2 of the given numbers should be divisible by any table, then only we will continue the process. Here, okay, minimum 2. You consider it minimum 2 numbers should be divisible. Minimum 2 numbers of the given numbers, whether they give 2 or 4 or 3, minimum 2 numbers should be divisible, then we'll continue the process, otherwise we'll stop. I will show you how it will be. Here we don't have such problem because 22 is divisible by 2 and 60 is divisible by 2 and 66 is also divisible by 2 table. So 2 11s are 2 30s and 2 33s are, okay, 2 33s. Now if we take 11, 30 and 33, they are not going to be cancelled in a common table, because if we take 11 and 33, we can cancel in 11 table, but 30 is not. If we take 30 and 33, we can cancel in 3 table, but we cannot cancel 11. In that case, as we are going to find the least first, as we are using the least factors first, in that case, see, 30 and 33 are divisible by 3, whereas 11 is not. Here what is the minimum number? 2 numbers which we are going to be cancelled using 3 table. In that case, drop this number which is not divisible as it is. Okay. Since 11 is not divisible by 3, I am just keeping 11 as it is. Now 3 how many times is 30? 10 times. And 11 times is 33. 11 times is 33. Now, we have the new numbers as 11, 10 and 11. Here also we have an advantage of using 11 table, because we can cancel and 11 and this 11 in 11 table. So 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11. Drop this number which is not divisible as it is. Now look, we have 1, 10 and 1. Look, what is the minimum number is that is to be divisible here? 10. Okay, the minimum number that we should divide is 10. So here we have only one number to divide, because 1 and 1 anyway we can't do. So we have to stop here. Otherwise, some are doing like this. We can take 2 table and 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 1 dropping as it is. It kills the time and increases the complexity of the solution. So is the reason, whenever you find only one number to be divided, you can stop the process of LCM there itself. A minimum of 2 numbers should be there to be divided in order to continue the process. Hope you understood, children. Now, what is the LCM then? So, LCM is equal to, LCM of 44, 120 and 132 is equal to these factors. That means 2 into 2 into 3 into 11 into 10. Okay. As we are done with these factors, I am just using this one. So 10. Now the product is 2 to the 4. Okay, 12. Total we are going to get 132 into 10, 1320. Okay, 4, 12, 12 11 are 132, 132 into 10, 1320. Okay, hope you are following, children. The same method I am going to implement for the next problem also. You please check the board carefully. Okay, so now the ninth one, children, the given numbers are 90, the given numbers are 90, 108 and 180. As I am saying, please use the least factor first. 90 is an even number, 108 is an even number and 180 is an even number. So directly start with 2 table. Okay, 245s are 90, 254s are 108 and 290s gives us 180. 290s gives us 180. Now look at the board carefully. Here 90 is divisible by 2, 108 is divisible by 2, 180 is divisible by 2. In the second step, what happened is 54 is an even number, so we can divide it using 2 table. 90 is also an even number, so that we can divide it with 2 table. But 45 is not at all divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. So I will take 2. The number which is not divisible by 2, I will write as it is. Okay, because I have a chance to do the division for minimum of 2 numbers in the second step. So 227s are 54 and 245s are 90. 245s are 90. Hope you are following, children. Now look, check the beauty of the question. So as 45 is not divisible by 2, we directly write 45 and 227s are 54 and 245s are 90. Now, is there any common table which cancels 45, 27 and 45? Yes, it is 3 table. Okay, 3 15s are 45, 3 9s are 27 and again 3 15s 45. See, here we got only 2 numbers to be divisible, whereas in the third step again 3 numbers are going to be divisible. So please be careful, children, while you are doing LCM. Now the number which is going to cancel 15, 9 and 15 is again 3 table. Again 3 table. 3 5s are, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. Now look, we have the new set of numbers as 5, 3 and 5. Apart from 3, 5 and 5 we can cancel in 5 table. 5 1s are, as this is not going to be cancelled, we will drop that 3 as it is and again 5 1s are 5. Now we have the new set of numbers as 1, 3 and 1. Okay, that means there is only one number that is to be divided. Hence, we will stop the process. Hope you are understanding, children. So, we will stop the process. Now find the LCM of the given numbers. So multiplication of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 3. Okay, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5 and this 3. Okay, so let us check. 4, okay, 4 9s 36, 36, 36 into 3. So 3 6 are 18. The total is going to be 540. You have to do the multiplication in the rough work, children. There is no other alternate. So we have to do it. So the LCM of 90, 108 and 180 is equal to 540. Okay. If you are quite not confident with the process of finding LCM, please watch the video again and again, children, because very important concept. Now let us move to the last one of this exercise, that is 10th one. So the 10th one, children, I will discuss it as slow as possible so that you will get the concept better. So the given numbers are 192. The given numbers are 192, 188 and 576. Okay, and 576. Look, only for your understanding purpose only I want to write one thing. So how many numbers are here? 3 numbers. You please don't copy this one. The numbers are 192, 188 and 576. So 192 is an even number, 188 is an even number and 576 is an even number. So we can cancel it using 2 table. Okay, 2 table. 296 are 192. Okay, and 294s are 188 and 288s gives us 576. As we have 3 numbers and all are even numbers, we just divided using 2 table. Now look, in the new set of numbers, how many numbers are there? 3. So we will proceed further. 6, 4, 8. Even these numbers are also even numbers. So we can cancel it using 2 table. We can cancel it using 2 table. 248s 96, 247s 94 and 144s gives us 288. Here also how many numbers are there? 3 numbers. So we can proceed further. Sometimes what will happen is all the 3 numbers will be prime numbers. So then itself we have to stop. But here it is not a problem. Now look at the board carefully, children. 48, 47 and 144. In this set, it's very much clear that 48 is an even number and 144 is an even number. So out of 3, how many numbers are going to be divisible? Only 2 numbers. Isn't it? 48 and 144. For the respective numbers, we have a chance to be cancelled. Whereas 47 doesn't. So what we'll do? We'll drop that number which is not divisible by 2 as it is. 47 we are writing as 47. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to cancel the rest of the numbers. 2 24s are 48. 2 72s are 144. 72s are 144. Again the same situation. We have 3 numbers where out of which only 2 are going to be cancelled, because 24 is an even number and 72 is an even number. Hence we can cancel these 2 in 2 table, but 47 is not possible. So drop that 47 as it is. Now in these 2, let us continue 2 table. 2 12s are 24. 2 36 are 72. Okay. Now let us check. How many numbers are there? Again 3. Out of these 3, this 12 and 36 are going to be cancelled because they are even numbers. So what we are going to do, 47 will drop as it is. 47 will drop as it is. Now with 2 table, 2 6 are 12 and 2 18s are 36. Okay, 2 6 are 12 and 2 18s are 36. Again we have 3 numbers, out of which only 6 and 18 are going to be get cancelled because of even numbers. So 2 numbers we are going to cancel in 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 47 comes as it is, and 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So again 3 numbers are there. Check whether 3 and 47 and 9 are going to be cancelled in a common table. No, not possible. Whereas we can cancel 3 and 9 in 3 table. So 3 table. So how many numbers? 2 numbers. 3 1s are 47 comes as it is and 3 comes as it is. Now check the board carefully, children. We have 47 and 3. Okay. 1 is anyway, you can leave it. We have minimum of 2 numbers, in which is there any table which cancels 47 and 3? In 2 table anyway we can't. In 3 table not at all possible, because 3 1s are 3 and the remainder will be 17. So though we have 2 numbers here, they are not going to be cancelled in any of the table. So that itself indicates that we have to stop the process here. Stop the process here. Okay. Hope you understood. Otherwise, if you still have any confusion, what we can do is, look. We have 1, 47 and 3. 1 anyway you just drop as 1, because multiplying any number with 1 gives us the same number. So first time what you will do is, 47 1s are 47, isn't it? 47 1s are 47 and drop this 3. Okay. Lastly 3 1s are 1, because 1 drop as it is, 3 1s are 3. If you observe, at the last step you got all the values as 1. At the last step you got all the values as 1. This itself indicates that we are done with the process. LCM is completed. Here also you can stop the process, and if you want to continue to have a clear-cut idea, you can run this 2 steps also. Look, I am repeating again. At this step what happened is 47 and 3. These 2 numbers are not going to be cancelled in any of the table. In that regard, what we did is, we did cancellation with the individual numbers. 47 1s are 47, 3 we drop it, 3 1s are 3. So with this we are done with the LCM. Even this method also you can use to find the LCM of the numbers. Okay. Therefore LCM is equal to, that means the LCM of these numbers is going to be, you have to multiply all this. Okay. I am repeating again, children. You can stop at this step, or if you still have any confusion, you can continue till all the values are going to be 1. So let us multiply. So 2 into 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 multiplied by 3 into 47 into 3. Okay. So if we are going to multiply this, you will get 27,072. Okay. So looks complicated, children, but if you practice more problems, it is going to be very easy process. Okay. Sometimes just by looking at the question itself, we can find the LCM of the given numbers. Hope you got it. Please watch the video again and again. With this, we are done with the process of finding LCM, children. Tomorrow we'll start a new concept. Thank you. Have a great day.